Welcome to dsnews.com. I'm Kelly Snogren, and this is Thursday's Top Default Servicing News. For the first time since 2008, U.S. households have stayed out of a state of financial distress for 3 consecutive quarters, according to Credibility's Consumer Distress Index. In the fourth quarter of 2012, households scored 71.8 out of 100, which is an increase of about 1 point from the third quarter and 4 points from the fourth quarter of 2011. A score below 70 indicates a state of financial distress. Despite the recent improvements, Mark Cole, EVP for Credibility, said, quote, "However, these recent gains may be fragile. We need to stay vigilant as mortgage delinquencies remain stubbornly high and increases in gasoline prices and Social Security taxes in January take more money from consumers' paychecks," end quote. In a speech, Comptroller of the Currency Thomas Curry addressed critics of the recent $9.3 billion foreclosure deal with 14 servicers. The recent deal replaced the independent foreclosure review. While some critics have said the compensation for borrowers may be too low, Curry said the cash payout is actually the largest of any foreclosure settlement to date. Through the settlement, about $3.6 billion has been set aside for direct payment to about 4.2 million borrowers. Curry also said compensation checks will start to go out to eligible borrowers by the end of March. As always, you can find more on these stories and all the latest headlines from around the industry here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Friday. Until then, stay with dsnews.com for all of your most relevant default servicing news.